So I really wanted something like this, but I did not want to pay this. Maybe $10 worth of polymer clay. We're gonna make it ourselves. So I'm just gonna take my little clay pancake. I've got my little bowl here. I made it the size of the bowl that I want. So I'm just gonna make sure he's centered here. And then we're just gonna cut off the excess. This just came out of the oven, so we're going to pull out our little mold here. And look at that guy. Now we're just going to carefully paint him a little ghosty face. How cute. Okay, so I've got this clear acrylic coating. You just spray it on, it's gonna give it that glossy ceramic finish. It's also gonna make it really easy to put food in and wash. And then all you gotta do is put your favorite snack in. So this on Crate & Barrel, $141. The dupe, $14.